Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Dow Jones is trading almost flat today, currently trading 30,465 after making a high of 30,500. Its low, Dow Jones low is 30,184 today. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. It seems Reddit traders did not participate today, but I am sure they will be participating very soon. So quickly have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones resistance stands at 30,620. Dow Jones support at 30,270. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Dow Jones break 270 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 30,100 and 30,000. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 13,350. It made high of 13,392 and currently trading 350. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Nasdaq support stands at 13,240, 13,240. Nasdaq resistance at 13,490. Currently Nasdaq is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq break 13,240 and manage to sustain below that level, this is major level. If Nasdaq break this level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 13,100 and 13,000. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 3812. It made low of 3768 today and recovered very fast from the lows. Currently it is trading 3803 after making high of 3812. Now let's move on to resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 3778. S&P 500 resistance stands at 3832. Currently S&P is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 3780, 82, 3778, this is the support. If S&P break this support and manage to sustain below that level, then expect S&P to test around 3750 and 3720. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. All US index are in positive zone as of now, so I will not recommend you to go for sell. But if any index break the support and manage to sustain below that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then expect all index to fall. In fact, market seems to be very overheated, but market need to break the support if market need to go down. Now let's move on to gold. This is gold chart. I have given a sell in gold to my paid subscribers. Target was 1838. It almost achieved the target. Currently gold is trading 1842.60. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. Now let's move on to resistance and support in gold. Gold support stands at $1834. Gold resistance stands at $1862. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so I will not recommend you to go for buy. But if gold break 1862 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1874 and 1890. Currently gold is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Even silver is down almost 4%. I have given a sell in silver as well to my paid subscriber. If you want to avail my paid service, you can send me a message. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. Now let's move on to euro. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 2030. It made low around 2026. I have given a sell to my paid subscriber as well. Yesterday I have given a sell at 2095. Our target was 2054. It achieved our target and even trading below our target. Now let's move on to resistance and support. Euro support stands at 1990 and euro resistance stands at 2080. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If market break our resistance of 2080 2090 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect euro to test around 2150 and 2200. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading 34,920 15. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin support stands at 33,500. Bitcoin resistance at $36,100. Currently Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Bitcoin break 33,500 this base and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Bitcoin to test around 32,000 and 30,000. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For live market updates, follow me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are given in description. Now I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.